I'd like now to introduce your speaker for today, Robert McKenzie. Robert is a partner of the law firm of Arnstein & Lair, LLP of Chicago, Illinois, concentrating his practice in representation before the Internal Revenue Service and state agencies. He has lectured extensively on the subject of taxation, and he has presented courses before thousands of CPAs, attorneys, and enrolled agents nationwide. He has made numerous media appearances, including Dateline NBC and the ABC Nightly News prior to entering private practice. Since entering private practice, he has dedicated a major portion of his time to representation before the IRS. Robert recently received the American Bar Association Civil and Criminal Tax Penalties Committee's Jules Riffold Award. The award recognizes Robert's dedication and achievement in the field of tax controversy. From 2009 to 2011, Robert was a member of the IRS Advisory Council, which advises IRS management. He has been selected as a fellow of the American College of Tax Counsel and serves as its president. He was also vice chair of the ABA tax section from 2003 to 2005. Robert is also a past chairman of the Chicago Bar Association Federal Tax Committee, and he was dean of the National Tax Practice Institute from 1998 to 2002. Robert, welcome to the program. We are now ready to begin.
Thank you, Billy, and thank you all for attending today. Audit reconsideration comes into play a lot because of IRS correspondence audits. And the vast majority of IRS audits are done by correspondence, and mistakes happen because of that process. Clients ignore correspondence and get themselves into trouble. And if the time has passed for them to go to tax court, which is the letter they get giving them 90 days to go to court to contest a liability, audit reconsideration is the best remedy to try to get the audit reopened. And so that's the whole process. The terminology is audit reconsideration, but what we're asking for in each case is that the IRS reopen the audit, reconsider the deficiencies and determinations that were adverse to our clients, and go from there. So what we'll talk about for the entire session is how do you convince the IRS to reopen an audit? What are the rules? What can you get reopened? What is unavailable for reopening? And, of course, how do you do it? And we'll go through a letter that was successful that I did at one time to reopen an audit. So with that, let's move into our presentation today. The correspondence exams, as I said, are the primary source of audit reconsideration. IRS correspondence exams create many improper assessments. They write people letters and ask for response. Sometimes the clients do respond, and the IRS doesn't properly process their responses. In fact, in a taxpayer advocate report from